I don't know if they're typical tools. We have definitely tools that we use to understand, to look at trends. And we use the 3 prongs as our guiding light. And so a lot of times when we're doing research, we looked at how many white papers have been published in that particular topic, or research papers or academic papers that have been done. And that would give us a kind of what we're calling, we have this 3 horizon framework. And the first horizon is, if you have an idea, can you even do it? Is it scientifically possible? And so if you look at the scientific paper, it will give you hints and evidence whether that is possible or not. The second thing after you've done that is whether once you're able to do it, can you, it's an engineering question. Can you scale it? Can you build it? Can you make it, right? And so there we look at sources like popular media like Forbes, like, Wired, and see if startups have been, building companies based out of that technology. And then you can also get a sense of like, well, people are building this and they're moving to that direction. And the last one is the business. Can you build a sustainable business out of that? And there it's a business model question. And so we use these 3 kind of validation points to kind of get us through understanding if a particular area of interest could have a higher potential of success, let's say, identifying the blue ocean that we need.